Applying a rockboard triangle magnetically to the roof of a mine vehicle. This video is for demonstration purposes and is done in a workshop. However, this can be practically applied in the field. Start by setting up a safe and sheltered working area close to the machine you are to mount the sign to, and turn the triangle upside down. When you receive your magnetic triangle, you will find 6 thread magnets and a tube of Right Tack adhesive. Thread lock glue is not included, but we recommend it. Apply the glue to the thread of the magnet and screw it tightly into the weld lug. Repeat this until all weld lugs have magnets. Select the mounting location on the equipment's roof or rollover protection bar. Use surface cleaner and a rag to thoroughly clean and dry the mounting area. The area must be free of oil, grease, dust, and moisture for mounting to be successful. Prepare the magnets for mounting by cleaning off any dirt or debris they have attracted. Mark a line down the center of the desired mounting area as a reference line to line up the center of the triangle to the mounting base. Take note of the position of the power input panel. Make sure it will align to the power wires of the vehicle before mounting. Thoroughly apply the provided Right Tack adhesive to the base of each magnet. Lift the triangle into position. Align the triangle's center and apex magnets to the line you have drawn earlier in the center of your mounting area. Again, check the position of the power input panel and make sure it aligns with the power cables. Using a rag or glove, wipe around the glue protruding from the base of the magnet so it completely covers the magnet itself. Allow 30 minutes for the adhesive to be touch dry and 12 hours for the adhesive to be completely dry. Connect the power supply from the machine and test the unit's illumination. And that's it. You have magnetically mounted a rockboard triangle LED ID sign. Warning: failure to mount the rockboard LED ID triangle magnet mounted option can result in the triangle shifting or falling off the machine during operation, causing injury or damage. Therefore, it is essential you make yourself familiar with the mounting instructions contained in this video. AFS accepts no responsibility or liability for the mounting and outcome of mounting any of our rockboard product range to machinery.